Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about how to find the vertex of a parabola. So when given a parabola, they are generally given in two various forms, being standard form and vertex form. Hopefully in this video you get some kind of intuitive understanding on finding the vertex of a parabola in both the standard form and the vertex form. So beginning with the standard form, so say you've been given an equation y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 8x minus 2. The only thing that you have to remember is how to find the x coordinate, which is x is equal to minus b on 2a. The b just represents the coefficient of the x, and the a represents the coefficient of the x squared. Applying this equation, we get the x coordinate of the vertex of the parabola is equal to minus b being this, 8, over 2 multiplied by a, which is the coefficient of x squared being negative 2. So negative 2. Which we get negative 8 over negative 4, which is equal to 2. Now this is our x coordinate of the vertex. The only thing left to do is find the y coordinate of the vertex. And to do this it's just very simple, plugging it back into the equation. So y is equal to negative 2, plug in the 2 to the x, 2 squared plus 8 multiplied by 2 minus 2. Y is equal to negative 2 times 4, 4 is 2 squared, plus 8 times 2, which is 16, minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to negative 8 plus 16 minus 2, which is equal to, is just 6. For y is equal to 6, and x is equal to 2. Therefore, through the standard form, we found the vertex of the parabola being 2, 6. Okay, so moving on to the vertex form. The vertex form is much easier, as all you have to do is just read off the equation of the parabola. So when the equation of the parabola is in this form, y is equal to a bracket x minus h squared plus k, the vertex is simply h, k. So all it really is, it's just pattern matching. So for this example, y is equal to 3, x minus 4 squared plus 8. Straight away we can just read off that the vertex is 4, 8. So 4, 8. That's all we have to do. We just have to match. This is h, and this is k. So say you're given a parabola in the form of y is equal to 3 bracket x plus 2 squared minus 8. In this case, to get it into the vertex parabola form, all we'd have to do is just factor out the negative for both 2 and negative 8. So we'd end up with y is equal to 3 bracket x minus negative 2 squared plus minus 8. Now again, it's just a simple case of pattern matching the h and the k. So the vertex would just be negative 2, negative 8. And that's it. As this is h, and this is k. So just to be pedantic, I'm going to show you that you can always get the standard form into the vertex form by completing the square. So for this first example that we went through, we saw that the vertex was 2, 6. Right? Let's say we wanted to get this into the vertex form, right? So how would we do this? First, we could factor out negative 2. Negative 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. We could divide both sides by negative 2. So y over negative 2 is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 1. Now what you have to recognize is that x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to x minus 2 squared. We have to recognize this. So to get x squared minus 4x plus 4 here, we need to add 3 to both sides. So plus 3 plus 3. So we get y on negative 2 plus 3 is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4, which we know this is just x minus 2 squared. So to simplify this further, we could always subtract 3 from both sides. So minus 3 minus 3. So end up with y on negative 2 is equal to x minus 2 squared minus 3. The last thing to do is just multiply the negative 2 over, so y is just negative 2 x minus 2 squared plus 6. Now, we finally have it in the vertex form, where we can just read it off. So the vertex is h being 2, comma k being 6. That's all it is.